Welcome to this transformative chakra balancing sound bath, where we will journey through your 7 energy centers, aligning and harmonizing your body, mind, and spirit. As the soothing sounds wash over you, allow yourself to relax deeply and connect with the healing vibrations. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can lie down or sit. Close your eyes and let the sounds guide you to a place of profound inner peace. We begin at the base of your spine with the root chakra, your foundation and connection to the earth. As you listen to the deep tones of the Tibetan bowl, imagine a warm red light at the base of your spine, growing stronger with each breath. Feel the grounding energy, anchoring you to the present moment. Repeat in your mind, I am safe, I am secure, I am grounded. Allow this energy to stabilize your entire being. Moving up to the sacral chakra, located just below your navel. This is the center of your emotions, creativity, and desires. As the sound of the water drum flows around you, visualize an orange light swirling in this area. Allow this light to release any blocked emotions or creative energy. Repeat in your mind, I am creative. I am passionate. I embrace change. Let the water cleanse and renew this chakra. Now, we focus on the solar plexus chakra, located just above your navel. This chakra is your source of personal power and confidence. As you hear the clear, ringing tones of the bell, picture a radiant yellow sun glowing brightly in this area. Feel the warmth of the sun filling you with confidence and strength. Repeat in your mind, I am strong, I am confident, I am in control of my life. Let this energy empower your entire being. Next, we move to the heart chakra, located at the center of your chest. This chakra is the seat of love, compassion, and forgiveness. As you listen to the soothing tones of the crystal singing bowl, imagine a green light radiating from your heart, expanding outward with each breath. Feel this light filling you with unconditional love and compassion, both for yourself and others. Repeat in your mind, I am love, I am compassion, I forgive and am forgiven. Allow this love to flow freely through you. We now focus on the throat chakra, located at the center of your throat. This is your center of communication and truth. As the chimes play, visualize a blue light glowing in your throat, expanding with each breath. Feel this light opening up your ability to speak your truth and express yourself freely. Repeat in your mind, I speak my truth. I am heard. I am understood. Let this energy enhance your ability to communicate with clarity and confidence. Next, we focus on the third eye chakra, located between your eyebrows. This chakra is the center of your intuition and inner wisdom. As you hear the soothing tones of the flute, visualize an indigo light glowing brightly in this area. Allow this light to sharpen your intuition and enhance your inner vision. Repeat in your mind, I trust my intuition. I see clearly. I am connected to my inner wisdom. Let this energy guide you towards clarity and understanding. Finally, we focus on the crown chakra, located at the top of your head. This chakra connects you to the divine and the universe. As the pure tones resonate, visualize a violet or white light glowing at the top of your head, extending upward like a beam of light. Feel this light connecting you to the universe, bringing you a sense of peace and oneness. Repeat in your mind, I am connected to the divine. I am at peace. I am one with the universe. Allow this energy to flow through you, uniting all the chakras in harmony. Take a moment to feel the alignment and harmony within your body. Your chakras are now balanced, your energy centers in perfect harmony, and your mind at peace. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present, feeling the ground beneath you, the air around you. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this sense of peace and balance into the rest of your day. Thank you for joining this Chakra Balancing Sound Bath. Whenever you need to realign and center yourself, know that this practice is here for you. May you walk forward in peace, love, and light. If you found this session healing, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with those who may benefit from it. May your journey be filled with light, balance, and peace.